Hi, and welcome to 5-Minute Chemistry with Always Eclectic Stacy. We're in our covalent bond series, and this is the time we're working on an example from going from the name to the molecular formula of a covalent compound. Let's get going. Hi, and welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we're taking a chemical name, or specifically a covalent name, and converting it into a chemical formula. Now, I always find it easy to go from covalent names to covalent formulas because it really is exactly what they tell you. So let's get started. So phosphorus is written one time and there's no Greek prefix attached. So that's going to be one of them. And pentachloride, that penta means 5. So we're going to write the word 5 down there. Now, if you're wondering how penta means 5, go ahead and review the video on common Greek prefixes, and that will really help you out. Now, what you're going to go ahead and do is figure out the chemical symbols. It is the opposite of when you look for a symbol and look for the name. Now you can look at your periodic table and look for the name or the root and match the symbol. So when we look at the periodic table and we look for phosphorus, we find the chemical symbol P. Now for this one, or the second one, it's a little tricky because you're not going to look for chloride. You'll never find chloride on a periodic table. You're going to look for the root chlor. Or the element with the word that starts with CHLOR, and it ends up being chlorine, and so the chemical symbol is Cl. And so what we're going to do now is put it all together. So we're going to put the first thing that's written here first, and that's P. Now this P does not have any subscripts because you do not write one as a subscript. Don't forget, you've already written P once. That is good enough for your subscript. And then you're going to go ahead and put the Cl right next to it because you're making a compound here. And this 5 here becomes the subscript of C. So phosphorus pentachloride becomes PCl₅. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.